everyone, welcome back to my channel Real. This is Rosni. Today I'll show how to make papaya gel. Papaya is good for consuming and applying. Papaya gel is too much beneficial for dry skin and suitable for all skin types. You can see the summer is very early this year. You have to take extra care of your skin. Papaya is mainly summer fruits. It's available in summer. The papaya gel is benefits for skin, treat wrinkles, treat dark circle under eyes, removes dark spot and blemishes, hydrate the skin, moisture the skin, treat eczema and psoriasis, control acne breakouts. So let's start. And thanks a lot those who are viewing my video first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest update. And also watch the video till then. So let's start. First I will prepare a lukewarm water. Because today I will use a new container, so I will dip the container in the water. See, the water is already hot. See, this is my new container. For making papaya gel, I have taken a papaya. The papaya is of my garden. I have washed it very carefully. Now I will cut it into pieces. See the pieces. Now I will grind them, so that the papaya juice gets extracted well. See this. Now I will strain its juice using a thin piece of cotton cloth. See the remains of the papaya. See the papaya juice. How nice color. See, it is liquid like water. So finally I have taken papaya juice, little bit of aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil and glycerin. So let's start making. Mix all ingredients well. Pour 2 teaspoons of glycerin and 10 drops vitamin E oil and mix them well. Now I will pick out the container. Then pour the papaya gel. So finally I have prepared the papaya gel. Use it for 1 week whenever possible. Keep it in fridge. Use it every day. It's too much beneficial for skin. Just use it for once, then see how glowing. Let me show you by applying it. See, so let's apply in the face. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and like and share for sure. Always be well. Take care. Bye.